Most business leaders still think AI is optional. It is not. And now the pressure is rising all the way to the top. Half of CEOs now believe their job could be at risk if their AI initiatives fail. Think about that. Not because AI is trendy, but because businesses are starting to realize that the companies using AI well are pulling ahead fast. And the ones still experimenting, still stuck in pilot mode, are falling behind. Hi, this is Will AI, Wilton the Automation Guy's avatar. While Wilton's out helping businesses like yours redesign how they operate, I'm here sharing the videos he's drafted, created, and read, so you get the newest and most practical insights as you implement AI and automation in your business. Wilton reads every message, and he replies to them as well. So if something clicks for you in this video, drop a comment below. Welcome to Automation Guy. If you're trying to figure out what AI actually means for your business and how to use it without creating more chaos, you're in the right place. Because here's the truth. Most companies are not failing at AI because the technology is bad. They're failing because they're trying to layer AI on top of broken systems. They're buying tools before fixing workflows. They're chasing automation before creating operational clarity. And when you do that, AI doesn't solve the problem. It multiplies it. That's the part most people miss. AI does not fix broken businesses. It amplifies what's already there. So if your workflows are messy, your handoffs are unclear, your team is overloaded, and your process lives in people's heads instead of systems, AI won't clean that up. It will just help you run the same broken process faster. And faster broken systems still break. That's why some companies are getting real ROI from AI, while others are burning money and calling it innovation. The difference is not tools, the difference is operating model. The companies winning with AI are not just adding AI into what they already do, they're redesigning how work gets done. That's the shift. Think about it like this. If your business is built on slow approvals, manual follow-ups, inconsistent service, scattered communication, then dropping AI into that environment is like putting a race car engine into a car with flat tires. It sounds powerful, but it's not going anywhere. And this is no longer just a tech conversation. It's a leadership decision, an operations decision, a competitive decision. Because three things are happening right now. First, productivity is becoming visible. Teams using AI inside structured workflows are producing more with fewer people. They're moving faster, responding faster, executing faster. And when one team of 5 starts outperforming a team of 50, leadership notices. Second, AI is changing how work is structured. This isn't about adding tools, it's about redesigning workflows. Not asking, where can I use AI? But asking, how should this process work now that AI exists? That's where the real advantage comes from. Third, AI agents are already entering operations, handling follow-ups, scheduling, customer conversations, document processing, internal support. And the companies deploying them are not waiting for perfect conditions. They're learning while building. So what should you actually do? Let's make it simple. Step 1. Map your workflows. Before you automate anything, understand how work actually moves through your business. Where are the bottlenecks? Where are delays happening? Where are tasks being repeated manually? Where are leads dropping? Where are customers waiting? Visibility comes before automation. Step 2. Start with workflows tied to real outcomes. Not the coolest use case, the most valuable one. Lead follow-up, onboarding, scheduling, customer communication, operations. Step 3. Define the role of AI. Not everything needs full automation. Some workflows need AI to assist, some need AI to execute with review. Some need humans in control. Be intentional, because clarity builds trust, and trust drives adoption. Step 4. Assign ownership. If everyone owns AI, no one owns AI. Someone needs to be responsible for performance, for improvement, for results. Because AI is not just a tool, it's part of your operations. Step 5. Measure what matters. Not does the tool work, but does the business work better? Is response time faster? Are errors lower? Is follow-up more consistent? Is revenue improving? Is the team saving time? If not, then you didn't implement AI. You just added software. That's why at Scale Through Automation, we say it clearly. Don't automate chaos. Fix the workflow first, then scale it with AI. because the future is not about using more tools, it's about building systems that actually work. Systems where humans and AI operate together without friction, without confusion, without wasted effort. And the businesses that figure that out early will not just grow faster, they'll operate differently. If you want help applying this to your business, visit scalethroughautomation.io. And if you want to learn how AI is actually being used inside real businesses, join the AI and Automation Center. Link is in the description. It's free. Subscribe to Automation Guy. Drop a comment. Wilton will see it. And I'll see you in the next one.